Tolong record. Oke.
Kalau yang kedengeran nggak?
Kedengeran.
Udah mulai.
Mulai aja nih ya.
Iya, ini 40 menit doang nih.
Oke. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam.
Today we will present about chapter 6, process paragraph. Before the presentation, introduce our group, namely Iwan Azuhail Elfat and Nasabandi. Okay, next slide. Slide 1, organization. In a process paragraph, you explain how to make or do something. So process paragraph are also called how to paragraphs. To explain how to do something clearly, break the process down into a series of steps and explain each step. The model paragraph explains the process of building a campfire. As you read it, count the number of steps. Also, notice the words and phrases that introduce each step. Next. How to build a one-match campfire. Building a campfire that you can light with one match is simple if you follow these easy steps. The first step is to prepare a safe place for your campfire. Clear an area on the ground at least 3 feet wide and put a circle of stones around it. Second, gather fuel. You will need several sizes of fuel: small twigs, medium sticks, and large stick. The next step is to build a tip. Put a handful of twigs in a small pile and use the small sticks to build a small tip over the pile. Leave space large enough to drop a lighted match through. Next, build a cabin around the tip using the medium sticks. Fifth, place two large pieces of wood on either side of the cabin and lay 2 or 3 long sticks on top to make a low roof. The last step is to light a match and drop it through the space in the tip. Soon, you will enjoy the warmth of a nice fire, and your friends will admire your skill at lighting a campfire with only one match. Next. Bandi.
Question of the model. Number 1, underline the topic sentence. What word tell the reader that the paragraph will explain a process? Answer on the model. Number 1, in the sentence, building a campfire that you can wait on mats is simple if you follow this easy step. Number 2, how many steps are there? Number 2, there are 6 steps in the model. Number 3, does the building sentence summarize the step or does it restate the topic sentence in different words? The number 3, the sentence restates the topic sentence with different words. Next. A process paragraph begin with a topic sentence that names the topic and tells the reader to look for a process or product or procedure. Use word such as step, producer, direction, suggestion, and introduction. You can teach your dog to vet in a very short time by following the procedure. Making a pizza is easy if you follow this instruction. Follow this step to a frisbee accurately. The supporting sentence are the step and detail about each step. When you dog brings black the stick, praise him extravagantly. The first step is to gather the ingredients you will need. First, grip the edge of the frisbee with all your finger. Wrap underneath the edge and your thumb along the top. The concluding sentence can be the last step, or it can give the result at the end of the lesson. Give your dog a nice treat for a job well done. Now, sit down and enjoy your delicious pizza. Finally, make sure the frisbee stay level while you throw. Next, plastic one. Topic sentence for project paragraphs. Work with a partner or with a small group. Read a topic sentence for four of the following topic. You may want to use one of this topic for your paragraph of the end of this chapter. How to register for classes in your school, how to meet people in a new place, how to get the job of your dreams, how to prepare for a job interview, how to live on tight budget, how to make cabbage sushi sadai eggs rolls see the large or any dish popular in your culture. How to make in pinata a confit egg, decorated eggs, a my basket, a paper flower, and any carved item. How to change the oil in a car, change in a flat tire with its kit, cut a fish or crab, and other skills. Next, Ilwan.
Time order. In a process paragraph, you arrange the steps in order by time and use time order signal to guide your reader from step to step. You are already familiar with time order signal from chapter 2. Here are orders, time order signal, column sentence connector. 1. First, second, it. Then, no comma, no, no comma, next, finally, after that, meanwhile, columns order. 2. The first step, the next step, the final step. 3. After 5 minutes. 4. After you take the pizza out of the oven. 1. First, preheat the oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Then prepare the pizza sauce. 2. The next step is to mix the pizza dough. 3. After 5 minutes, check the pizza. 4. After you take the pizza out of the oven, cut it into 8 pieces. Notice that you can also use time clauses to show time order, as in example 4 above. Learn about time clauses in the sentence structure section on page 99 of this chapter. Next. Practice 2. Time order signals. A. Turn back to the model on page 95. Draw a circle around all the time order signal you find. B. Complete the paragraph with the time order signal and add commas if necessary. Use each signal once. Use this time order signal. Finally, the third step to sum up. Second, the first step. Choosing classes. Choosing the right classes each semester can be stressful, but you can reduce your stress by following these steps. 1. Isinya, jawabannya, the first step is to become familiar with the graduation requirement for your major. Do not depend on others to give you correct information. Instead, study the page in the college bulletin dealing with your major and memorize the requirement. 2. Jawaban yang kedua, second, plan. Write out a program for each semester to make sure you have all the sources you need for graduation. Be aware that some classes have prerequisites classes you must pass before you can register for them. 3. Jawaban yang ketiga, the third step is to talk with as many older students as you can, as them which sources are good and which ones are not. Don't waste your time and money on bad classes. 4. Jawaban yang keempat, to sum up, register each semester as soon as you can. Waiting even and hour may mean that the classes you want or need are filled. 5. Jawaban yang kelima, yaitu finally, plan ahead to avoid missing any required classes, to avoid bad classes, and to graduate on time. Next. C. The following sets of sentences are not in connect time order. Number the sentence 1, 2, 3, and so on in the connect order. Jadi di sini udah ngacak kalimatnya dan disuruh urutin dari kalimat yang pertama ke kalimat yang terakhir. Di sini soalnya yang pertama, 1. How to make ice cream in a bag. Seal the gallon bag securely. Open the bag, grab a spoon, and enjoy your ice cream. Gently rock the gallon bag from side to side for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the contents of the quart bag have turned into ice cream. Put 1 or 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 or cup of milk, 1 or 4 cups of sugar, and 1 or 4 teaspoons of vanilla into a quart-size label plastic bag. Close the quart-size bag and seal it tightly. Put 2 cups of ice and 1 or 2 to 3 or 4 cups of salt into a gallon-size label plastic bag. Surprise your friend on your next camping trip by making ice cream in a plastic bag. Place the sealed quart bag inside the gallon bag of ice and salt. Untuk jawabannya udah ada, itu dari nomor 1 sampai kalimat yang ke-7. Soal yang kedua, 2. How to find the book in the library. Find the computers that contain the library's catalogs. Locate the books on the library shelves by their call numbers. Be prepared to show your library card at the checkout desk. In the age of computers, finding a book in library has become very easy. In the book catalog, type the topic you are seeking information about in the space labeled subject. There are 2 catalogs, 1 for books and 1 for periodicals, magazines, newspapers, and so on. Write down the title and call number of each book that you want. Scroll through the entries for the books that are displayed on the computer screen and determine which ones seem the most relevant. Take the books to the checkout desk. Next. Nah, dari kalimat yang tadi disuruh urutin dan di sini sudah harus dijadikan paragraf dan dibacakan oleh Bandi.
Read a group of sentence from the preceding experience as a paragraph. Make your paragraph flow smooth by adding time order, signal word, process the begin of some of the sentence. Number one, how to make ice cream in a bag. Surprise your friend on your next camping trip by making ice cream in plastic bag, pot, setengah cup of heavy cream, cup of milk, cup of sugar, and 10 spoon of vanilla into a quantity set label plastic bag, but 2 cups of ice and 34 cup of salt into a gallon size sealable plastic bag. Seal the gallon bag share. Gently rock the gallon bag from side to side for 10 to 50 minutes until the contents of the quart bag have turned into ice cream. Close the quantity bag and seal in tightly. Place the sealed quart bag inside the gallon bag of ice and salt. Open the bag, grab a sponge, and enjoy your ice cream. 2. How to the find book in the library. In the act of computer, finding a book in a library has become very easy. Find the computer that can the library catalogs. In the book catalog, type the topic you are seeking information about in the space. Label it subject. The R catalog one for bag on for periods. Magazines, newspaper, and so on. Wait on the title and can number of easy book that you went. Scroll back the interest for the book that are displayed on the computer screen. In the terminal, wait on a sim the most relevant. Locality the book on the library served by the their number that the book to the checkout desk. Next. Next, Hafiz. Hafiz ada. Hafiz ada. Next, Hafiz Siregar.
Yes, sentence structure, model, clauses, and complex sentence. How to give the cat a pill. Giving a pill to a cat is a process that requires creativity and determination. The first step is to pick the cat up and hold it in your left arm like a baby with your left thumb and forefinger to gently squeeze its cheeks open. As soon as the cat opens its mouth, put it in the pill, allow the cat to close its mouth and swallow. Next, retrieve the pill from the floor and the cat from behind the sofa. The second step is to repeat the first step. This time, however, hold its mouth closed while you count to 10. Then retrieve the pill from the goldfish bowl and the cat from behind the washing machine. The third step is to call a neighbor for help. When the neighbor arrives, ask him to hold its body firmly between his knees and its head between his hands. Then force open its mouth with a wooden stick and push in the pill. After that, retrieve the cat from the curtain rod, make a note to repair the curtains, and then take your neighbor hands. Now get a new pill for a failed attempt. Tie the its for pass. Hilang eh. Kok hilang sih?
Bentar, Mat.
Aduh, ayo lu.
Nah, udah belum?
Tie the its for password together with strong rope and tie the cat securely to the leg of the dining table. After you put on heavy-duty gloves, hide the pill on the leg piece of fish, push it into its mouth, and pour it in cold water to wash it all down. On your way home from the emergency room, where the doctor sewed up your bleeding arm, order a new dining table and call the SPCN to come get the cat. Next, question on the model. Look at the sentence tree. What is the verb? What kind of sentence is it, simple or compound? Note this sentence is a command. In command, we understand that the subject is you, but you is not expressed. Find other simple sentence that are commands. How many can you find? Look at sentence A. How many SP combination does it contain? What word connects them? Answer the model. Answer on the model. With your left thumb and forefinger, to gently squeeze its cheeks open. For one, leave. For two, left. For three, left. Next, retrieve three. The pill from the floor and the cat from behind the sofa. This time, however, hold its mouth will close. Will you count to 10? Next, clauses. First, let's learn about clauses. A clause is a group of words that contain at least one subject on one verb. Clauses. Anna left the party early because she was tired. There are two kinds of clauses in English, independent and dependent. An independent clause can be a sentence by itself. Independent clause is another name of the simple sentence. Independent clause, Anna left the party early. Hold its mouth closed. A dependent clause, in contrast, cannot be a sentence by itself because its meaning is not complete. A dependent clause depends on something else to complete its meaning. dependent clauses because she was tired while you count to 10. Next, complex sentence. A complex sentence is a combination of one independent clause and one or more independent clauses. Independent clause. Anna left the party early. Dependent clause because she was tired. Usually the clauses can be in any order. However, the punctuation is different. Comma rule in a complex sentence when the dependent clause comes separate the clauses with a comma. When the independent clause comes first, do not separate them because she was tired. Anna left the party early. Anna left the party early because she was tired. A dependent clauses always begin with a subordinating word or subordinator. There are different kinds of subordinator. Time subordinator begin a clause that tells when something happened. Reason subordinator begin a clause that tells why something happened. Place subordinator begin a clause that tells where something happened or where something is located. Next. The subordinator's time subordinator after. He goes to school after he finishes work. As several overcrowded buses passed as we were waiting. As soon as she felt better, as soon as she took the medicine. Before you apply to collect, you have to take an entrance exam. Since it has been a year since I left home, until we can leave you the room until everyone has finished the test. When you start collect, you something have to take a placement test. Whenever I don't sleep well, I feel sick the next day. While several overcrowded buses pass while they were waiting. Reason subordinator. Because Jake excels at sports because he trains hard. Since they work out daily, Jill in a great condition. As they went to complete in a marathon, they run every day. Place subordinators where I can never remember where I put my house keys whenever a baby animal follows its mother wherever she goes. Next page akan dibacakan oleh Saudara Ilman.
Okay. Practice 3. Complex sentence. A. In an underline 3 complex sentence with the time clauses in the model paragraph, how to give the cat a pill on page 99. As soon as the cat opens its mouth, put in the pill. When the knife boy arrives, ask him to hold its body firmly between his knees and its head between his hands. After you put on heavy-duty gloves, hide the pill in a large piece of fish. Push it into its mouth and pour in a quart of water to wash it all down. Next. Practice 3 complex sentence. B. Identify the parts of the following complex sentence. Step 1. Underline independent clause with a solid line and dependent clauses with a broken line. Step 2. Circle the subordinators. Step 3. Add a comma if necessary. Note, to sentence have two dependent clauses. Jadi di sini disuruh nyari kalimat, bedain kalimat independen sama dependen. Yang independen itu yang ditebelin sama yang garis bawahi, dan yang dependen itu yang tidak ditebelin hurufnya. Number 1, whenever astronauts leave Earth's atmosphere, they experience weightlessness. 2, astronauts often feel seasick when they first experience weightlessness. 3, astronauts must exercise on special machines while they are orbiting for Earth in their spacecraft. 4, When the first Russian cosmonauts exited their spacecraft, they had to be carried because they could not walk. 5. The students were silent as the teacher handed out the test. 6. The students worked on the test problems until the teacher told them to stop. 7. As soon as the teacher told them to stop writing, they put down their pencils. 8. After the teacher collected the test, she dismissed the class. 9. Before she left, she promised to post their scores where students could view them. 10. Since noise can change the heart rate and increase blood pressure, it is harmful to the body. Next, Nasabandi.
Phrase history. Complex sentence. Okay. Combine an independent clause from column A with independent clauses from column B to make a complex sentence. Then write the sentence you on a piece of paper in order as a paragraph.